Hello there, let's see the financial statements analyzer in PowerBI, and I will show in this video all automations I have just used and which measures I just used here for calculate all. And in this file you'll find the balance sheet and income statement, and in each file you will find the previous period and current period. So you need to select two date range, then it will show here the current period balance and previous period balance. In this income statement you will find gross profit, operating profit, profit before tax, profit after tax, comprehensive income after tax. And in this balance sheet side you will be find asset, shareholders equity and liabilities. And I have used some percentage here, debt to equity ratio, current ratio, days payable outstanding, days sale outstanding, working capital. And then in the income statement side here, gross profit percentage, operating profit, profit before tax, profit after tax, comprehensive income. This is the percentage of total revenue. So here you can select the date, month, year from this pop-up, or also you can scroll it, then the date range will be changed and the data will be changed also. And here also you can see all cumulative data, so you just need to select whole years here. So you can be able to select a day or 15 days or 13 days or a quarter or a year or all the years. Then it will be show the income statement and the balance sheet totals. And also I have added some drop menu here that you can update it and can analyze this by location wise or project wise, something like this. This is the one kinds of scatter I just use here. And here I used another scroller that it can scroll continuously and can be show it can show the balance here. Right now this is the full featured Power BI template for financial statement analysis. So if anyone wants to upgrade it or add any features or add any calculations insert into here, then you can require I can update as on the requirements. So is functionality the whole functionality used, I just used here the each dx measures function that you can change your own method or you can do another calculation with it. And right now we just need to change the data source only. So here I used a data model using the Excel. So if you want you can upgrade it to Google Sheet or Excel sheet. So this is the data model. So here you just need to change the resource from advanced editor here, the data model. Then the data model will be updated and you just need to connect your travelance here. Just copy and paste, replace with these two lines with your new source, the travelance source. It can be your X0 or any database service like Oracle, Amazon, then PostgreSQL, ODBC connection, or any other connection like MySQL, Azure, something like others. So you can use any kinds of resource for this. Also you can use X0 or QuickBook. Just need to change the resource here and change the data model in your Excel, then it will be work accurately and perfectly. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and If you require or if you want, we can add more visualizations in here, because almost we have the data and the calculations here. We just need to add more visualization on it. So I think this is a good and dynamic analyzer for accounting, I mean the balance sheet and income statement analysis. So if anyone needs to analyze financial statement, then you can develop your own, or you can uh, remodify it as per your requirements, or you can ask me to modify it and send to you. Then I can develop this software, add any kinds of feature on it, any calculation on it, then I can provide to you. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I will come back with another Power BI development.